The reason why I've gone ahead to quote Commissioner Kombe at length is to confirm to the whole world that, in her own words, Commissioner Kombe has vindicated our position, which we have held all along, right from the day Supreme Court made its judgment. The Commission, or whatever remains of it, must be bold enough and come out and declare to Kenyans, taking cue from Commissioner Kombe's action, that they cannot possibly conduct credible elections on the 26th of October this year. They must come out and say so. We know that the Supreme Court gave a ruling directing that those elections be conducted within a period of 60 days from the 1st of September. That is fine. But things, as they stand currently, make it impossible for such an election to happen. So the Commission must have the courage to own up to this and go back to the Supreme Court to seek further direction.